Hey, welcome back. We all are heard about peanut butter. It is a healthy and tasty snack, which contains lots of nutrients. It is made from ground roasted peanuts. About 90% of peanut butter consists of peanuts, while the rest of the 10% incorporates vegetable oil, salts, and many of vegetarians get enough proteins from this creamy snack. Peanut butter consists of many vitamins and minerals, including protein. Now we will discuss health benefits of this peanut butter. Number 1, high in protein. Peanut butter has a good source of protein, and it contains full of amino acids, which are the basic building blocks of protein. That's why these are useful for build muscle mass. And after heavy workouts, if we eat this, it helps to repair the muscle tissues. Number 2, it manages blood sugar levels. As per research, peanut butter has high levels of magnesium in it, which is an essential nutrient for a person with diabetes. Eating peanut butter in the morning may help to control your blood sugar throughout the day. Number 3, high in healthy fats. Peanut butter consists of lots of healthy fats, which are useful to reduce the cholesterol in the heart arteries. And also it helps to prevent heart diseases. Peanut butter contains nearly 40 to 50% of unsaturated fats, which are having wide range of health benefits. Number 4, it has anti-cancer properties. Peanut butter is an excellent source of antioxidants like magnesium, vitamin B, and vitamin E. These nutrients prevent and repair cell damage, and the antioxidant resveratrol cuts the blood supply to growing cancer cells, and it can reduce the risk of cancer. Number 5, rich in vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter consists of high levels of minerals like copper, zinc, and potassium, which are useful to improve the body functionality. And the vitamin E helps to boost immunity and also used to provide healthy skin. And the vitamin B in it plays a vital role to improve the nervous system functionality. Number 6, aids in weight management. Peanut butter consists of fiber and monounsaturated fats, which helps to fuller for long periods. And it have low carb values, so it is also helpful for low carb and keto diets. Make sure to peanut butter as a part of Dialy diet and get these benefits. We mentioned some of the best peanut butters available in the markets today in the description. Kindly check it once. Thank you, and keep supporting.